So this is a subdivision project with pre-selling house and lot units po. At mamaya po itutour po natin kung ano po yung ating mga house models dito sa Centrina Alaminos. You can have it all here at Centrina because Centrina brings class, comfort, and convenience to the Alaminos living space. We are perfectly situated along Maharlika Highway here in the progressive community and municipality of Alaminos, Laguna, and we are just 2 kilometers away from SM City, San Pablo. So this project is an 18-hectare master plan development that elevates the lifestyle of its residents with its first-class residential community with their elegant, modern, contemporary homes and resort-inspired amenities. Not to mention, we'll also have a super prime, expansive commercial area to redefine convenient living. So behind me will be the area for the super prime, expansive commercial area. So pwede tayong magkaroon dito ng mall or supermarket, and on the other side we will also have some commercial establishments din po dyan. So hindi lang magandang location natin, no? Napakalapit na po ng lahat dahil dito mismo sa Centrina Alaminos magkakaroon po tayo ng commercial area. So that really redefines convenient living kasi hindi ka nalalayo pa, nandyan na lahat. We have it all here at Centrina. So number one, we have an excellent location. So you can live with convenience. Again, this is situated in Barangay San Benito, Alaminos, Laguna. And we are just along Maharlika National Highway. This is actually 260 meters from LTO San Pablo City. So kung papunta tayo dito sa papuntang San Pablo, 260 meters na lang po. Nandun na po yung LTO. And since we are adjacent to our future commercial development, so napakalapit natin to our everyday needs. And we are also 2 kilometers away from SM City San Pablo. We're also near Pure Gold San Pablo City, as well as the public market of Alaminos and San Pablo City. Ayan, so location pa lang panalo na. But wait until you see our model units. Mamaya-maya po yan. Not only we are near supermarkets and public markets and a commercial area. Malapit din po tayo sa mga schools. So for your children's education, we are near different schools and colleges where you can send your children with convenience also. And of course, kitang-kita nyo naman kanina, ayan, papakita ko po ulit ngayon, since we are along the highway, it will be very convenient for you to commute because as you can see, the bus is going to and from Manila. Dumadaan po dito sa highway na to. Yes, it's a gated community, so later po, I will show you the gate and guard house once we enter our subdivision. It's a gated community with 24-hour security po. Ayan, so we have a gate and guard house po. Pagpasok po from here, nandito pa po tayo sa may entry marker ng Centrina Alaminos. So this is our entry marker. And then, papasok po tayo dyan mamaya. And then inside, mga a few meters from here will be the gate and guard house po. Number one talaga po when we are looking for a house, no, or a home. Yan. Number one kina-consider natin is location. And on top of that list here in Laguna is Centrina Alaminos. Kasi nasa along highway po tayo, wala na po tayong papasukan na mga ibang roads. Talagang we are right outside. We are just right along the highway, Maharlika National Highway. So ayan, makikita niyo may bus. Ayan, may DLTV na dumadaan. There are also jeepneys and tricycles na dumadaan po dito. So wala pong problema if going around San Pablo or Alaminos, or if you need to go to Metro Manila, napakadali lang po. Very accessible po talaga siya. Ayan. And also, para po dun sa mga para din po sa spiritual nourishment nila, ayan, marami po mga churches, iba't ibang church din po around the area. So, hindi po rin mahirap puntahan. Ayan. We are near everything you need. That's why here at Santina Alaminos, you can have it all. And hashtag, life is better at Centrinas. And ang kagandahan po pala dito sa mga houses natin, alright, lahat po ng mga bahay po natin dito ay complete interior finish. So, ang ibig sabihin po niyan, kapag complete interior finish po, ay ito-turn over po sa inyo na kompleto na. May mga tiles na, may mga fixtures na po. Ang kulang na lang po ay furniture o yung mga gamit po ninyo na personal. No? So, makikita nyo po how nice po yung magiging turnover ng ating mga houses dito sa Santina Alaminos. At isa pa, pagdating po sa payment or sa presyo, ang mga prices po natin dito sa Santina Alaminos ay all-in na po. All-in, meaning no hidden charges. Alright, so our prices ranges from 5 million and up, or at least lowest natin na down payment, alright, monthly down payment is only 20,000 per month. So that's very affordable for a 3-bedroom house po with complete interior finish. Sulit na sulit po yan at napakaganda pa po ng location. Makikita nyo po why Centrina is the best choice for you and why life is better at Centrina. So ready na po ba tayo? Papasukin po natin yung ating subdivision para makita po ninyo yung ating gate and guard house, and of course, our model units. Alright, papasok na po tayo. Yes, napakaganda pa ng location and nakikita nyo naman ang dami pong puno. On the right side, that will be our super expansive commercial area. On the other side din po, magkakaroon din po tayo ng mga commercial establishments dyan. And we are now approaching our gate and guard house. So, ang ganda po. Ayan. So, alam niyo po talaga na exclusive subdivision siya. Ang ganda po ng design natin. We have, ayan, Kuya Guard here. Alright. We have 24-hour security po. Alright. Ilang minutes biyahe from Manila. Actually, if coming from Manila, mga 1 hour to 1.5 hours. Kasi I came from Marikina this morning and yung total travel time ko from Marikina is just 2 hours. So if you're coming from Makati or Alabang or Las Piñas, I think that will take less time to get here. Okay.